So guys, your boy Cook Boss here. Right now my charge on this phone here is very low. Like I said, coming out kinda dark. But don't worry, it's your boy Cook Boss here. Some white rice here for lunch. Well, at least a little after lunch, almost dinner right now. And we have some wow, you can barely see it. Nevertheless, is liver, the peas. So put some more sauce. Wow, I've been kinda messy. I'm trying to hurry up to make this video, guys. Please forgive me. I'm not seeing. As in previous videos, you know, I had a phlegm, man. Nevertheless, and still make it happen. Just to send out the video to you guys. Nevertheless, just taking out a little bit, guys, to make the video. So let me see how it goes. Liver, black eyed peas. Come across on the light side here. Black eyed peas, liver. You can see white rice. Oh, wow, smells great. Looks delicious. Let me see how it goes. So guys, no lighting system. Let me see how it goes. Food hot, not uncooked. Whoa, give it to just now. How are we talking about? So guys, my phone might cut off just now. The power on it is very low, so nevertheless. If I just subscribe, give that a thumbs up. Let's try a bite piece in this. Wow. Guys, see you in my next video. Love you all. Give it a thumbs up. Don't know. Liver. Smoking. See you in my next video. Love you all. Boom. Shit from Trinidad. Don't know. Love you all. See you in my next video. See you guys. Time to eat. Whoa. Pepper. Lovely. Guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Love you all. See you in my next video.